Hey there, girlfriend. Super excited to be here with you today. And I wanted to ask you, have you ever bought foundation and realized that when you got home that it wasn't the right shade? Or maybe you've been wearing the same foundation cover forever and a day, and all of a sudden it's been discontinued and you don't know how to find your perfect match again. Well, girl, I know this can be completely frustrating, which is why I want to share a tool that will help you find your perfect foundation shade in seconds. And you can do it on your phone. Yes, I will share this exciting tool with you in a minute, and we will see you on the other side. Hey there, my name is Ingafay, and this is the Do You Boo Beauty channel for busy professionals that value their appearance and are looking for convenient solutions that actually fit into their life. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Mary Kay Foundation tool to discover your perfect foundation shade without even leaving your house and say goodbye to foundation guesswork forever. So let's do this, shall we? So the first thing that I want to share with you is how convenient this tool is. You just go to Ingafay online and you would get access to this tool. And it's just so easy to use. You don't have anything to download. You just use the foundation tool right from the Mary Kay website, which is Ingafay online for you guys that I'm your beauty consultant. And you can also find this tool in the iCatalog. And you just go exactly where it is, and it will take you to the tool so you can actually try this out for yourself. So I wanted to show a quick video so you can see exactly how this works and get to know how this tool can help you find your perfect foundation shade. So let me share this with you. Let me share it. Okay, here we go. Yes, girl, it is that easy. No more buying 3 shades of foundation hoping that one will match. And no more trying to go to the store and find your perfect shade. You can do this right from your phone. It is easy as that. And it's perfect for busy professionals like yourself that can use this anytime, anywhere. So if you're on your lunch break, you can find your perfect shade. Or if you're just having a lazy day on a Sunday in your pajamas, that is what you can do, is find your shade through this advanced technology that analyzes your skin tone and finds the ideal shade in the Mary Kay Foundation collection. All just from your smartphone. No downloads needed, no extra apps, no cluttering your phone. So if you are ready to discover your perfect shade in the Mary Kay Foundation collection, type in the comments me and we will get right to it. Okay. All right. So now we are going to show you how easy this is to use. Okay. So the second benefit of this foundation finder is the ease of use. And you don't have to be tech savvy to do this, ladies. Okay. So all you need is a well-lit area like your bathroom or access to natural light. And I'm going to walk you through this simple setup. So first and foremost, you need good lighting. You're going to position yourself in front of the natural light or go to a well-lit area like your bathroom. You don't want any direct sunlight on you, and you want to avoid any kind of overhead lights that are actually going to create kind of shadows. Okay, you want it to be even, so it's natural lighting going across your face. Next, you're going to prep your face. So first of all, you're going to pull your hair back. Like right now, I have my hair in the face, but you want to pull your hair back, any bangs that you have, to make sure that the tool can actually scan your face accurately. Facial hairs actually distort the actual results. You want to make sure that your face is clean. You have no makeup and no glasses on to use this app, girlfriend. The tool needs to see your whole face without any kind of interference. Next, you're going to position your phone so it's right in front of you. You're looking straight ahead at your phone. You're not going to look down at your phone because that's what's going to create shadows. You want to look directly at your phone at eye level and look straight ahead when you're doing it. Also, when you use this app, you're not going to do any kind of smiling or make any kind of funny faces, because that's going to actually distort how the technology is going to scan your face. So you got to make sure that it's right at eye level in front of you. You're looking directly at it, okay, to give you the best results and so that it can really view your skin tone. Now, the great thing about this is the actual finder on your phone is going to give you kind of a step-by-step instructions on exactly how to get the best results. When you position your face using the phone, it's actually going to give you guidance on how to do that as well. Okay, so just know that when you do that, it's going to guide you on exactly what to do. However, if you do need personalized help, you know I'm here for you, girlfriend. So we can set up a appointment. So type in the comments, book me, or you can scan this QR code so we can set up a virtual beauty experience where I can walk you through exactly how to do this. Okay. And now the best part about it is it's also reliable. But before I get into the reliability of it, I'm going to show you how easy this tool is. So this is the Mary Kay app, as you can see on my phone. I'm going to just type in the search finder. And then the Mary Kay finder is right there at the top. So I'm going to click on that and it takes me to the Mary Kay finder. And it's asking me, see where it says click, scan, click, and it's your match. So I'm going to say, you see right there where it says find yours now. I'm going to click on that right there. And I'm right on the screen where it actually begins. Now, before I actually worry about putting my face in the scanner and all of that, it says that I have to accept these terms. So I'm going to click on that to accept these terms, and then I'm going to hit start. So now we're going to get this party started. Then it's going to tell me that I need to, if I can use access to my camera. So I'm going to say allow this time. And the next thing that comes up is actually about coverage. So I'm going to choose medium coverage with the Time Wise foundation. It has sheer, it has light, and it has medium. Sheer would be a powder. Light would be like a CC cream, and medium is going to be the Time Wise foundation. So I'm going to click the Time Wise foundation. And then the next thing that it asks me is my desired finish. Now, I'm an oily girl, and because I know I'm an oily girl, I'm going to choose matte. There's also luminous for those of you that are normal to dry skin, so you would choose that one. But for me, it's definitely going to be matte. So that is what I'm going to do. And then it says hit next. So I'm going to hit next. So that's where we are. So then it's kind of going through those instructions that I just told you about, making sure you have good lighting, pulling your hair back, making sure you don't have any kind of expressions or making funny faces. It tells you how to position your camera at eye length, making sure that you're looking ahead and not down. All of those things that I just told you about. So now we are going to actually scan. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit next, because it's basically explaining to you exactly what I did. Now you can see on the screen, see how that has the oval circle? That's what I have to make sure that my face fits into for it to actually do the technology magic. So I'm going to put my face in the circle and looking straight ahead like I told you, and it's doing it for me. And now it's speaking. Now I can just be straight up with you. I do have foundation on because I am not going to get on the video with no foundation unless it's a demo where y'all can see me. I'm not going to start with no foundation. So it did give me my perfect shade. So I did want you to see that, and it's spot on. Am I gonna have to do that again? I'm gonna have to do it again. It did give me my perfect shade. It told me my shade was 160. That is my shade of Mary Kay foundation. So that's exactly what it will do for you too. It's going to give you your ideal foundation. It's going to give you your product name. It also is going to give you recommendations for complementary products that are going to help you with your foundation, like concealer and possibly a powder. And then that way you don't have to worry about having any foundation guesswork anymore after using this. The tool is really reliable, and it has AI color matching technology that is that has been tested on thousands of people. So it is very accurate. Okay. And if for whatever reason it gives you, I've done this several times and it's given me the match every time. But for whatever reason, if you want to try it again to see if you get the same result, you can do that. But again, you just want to make sure that you have your hair pulled back, you have a clean face. Like I said, I didn't use a clean face on mine, but because I'm not going to get on video without makeup. But for you, you're at your house, nobody's going to see you. Make sure that you have a clean face and scan and let it do its thing. And it's going to give you the information you need to know exactly what your foundation shade is. At that particular point, since you're already online, you can immediately just add the foundation shades to your cart. It probably will also give you an upsell that will tell you about your concealer, like I had mentioned before, as well as the powder that could complement your look. In addition to also probably some primers or finishing sprays that are going to help extend your wear. So just know that that's coming when you do that. So after you scan your face, if for whatever reason you get a tan or your skin tone has changed, like maybe you do it in the winter and you need a new summer shade, again, you just do the app like you just did, no makeup on, scan your face, and then it's going to tell you your updated foundation shade. And I typically do have women that have a winter shade and a summer shade. She'll know that that is okay, and that is totally normal for that to be the way for you, especially if you are out tanning or doing anything like that. It just really makes foundation matching easy, because I know that the foundation match is a struggle for so many people. When I was doing surveys and market research with my clients and just really busy women in general, that was one of the things that they really struggled with, was finding their perfect foundation shade. So have no fear. The foundation finder is here that you can actually use. It's convenient, easy, and reliable, and it's ideal for professional women like you. So here's the thing, girlfriend. I am so excited for you to try this tool to find your perfect foundation shade, so it won't be stressful or time consuming anymore. It gives you an accurate results within seconds, as you just saw, from the convenience of your home. Now, there's one thing that I want to say that some of you may need a little help on actually how to use this. I am here for you, and I'm inviting you to schedule a free virtual consultation so I can kind of walk you through if you're having issues. And that QR code is right here in the corner. During the session, I'll walk you through how to use the finder. We'll review your results together. And then we'll talk about the foundation, the concealer, the powder that's good for your skin type and your lifestyle. We'll go over some application techniques to help you have that flawless look. And we'll just make sure that you have the right skincare program and any other products that you may want to look at that can really help you in your busy schedule. I'm here to help you find convenient solutions that actually fit in your life. So scan this QR code right here for the to book the Mary Kay Beauty consultation. Also know that if you want to actually check out the app, you can go to my website, that's ingaonline.com, where you can actually try out the app directly on the website on your cell phone and find out exactly what your needs are. You can order right there from the phone. You can immediately order right and send it to the cart, and then I can send the products out to you. Okay. So as always, I want you to share this video with 3 of your girlfriends that may have that foundation struggle, or their foundation has just been discontinued for whatever reason. I'm here to help them make their life easier and find a shade that's perfect for you and for them. And as always, we will see you all next week. Thanks for watching. And I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye for now.